Senator Revilla is looking at the possibility of filing about 5 to 10 cyber libel cases against personalities on Facebook, social media, bloggers, and those who have their own websites.
Hala, ano ito? Bong Revilla magpapile ng kaso sa lahat ng mga vlogger at social media influencer na naninira di umano sa kanya. Kaya daw siya natalo sa eleksyon. Hala, bakit naman mga vlogger ang puntire niya? Hindi ba dapat kumilik? Doon siya magki-question sa kumilik. Kung maganda ang performance mo sa Senado, kahit ano pang paninira, hindi ka matitibag. Example, kay Bongo at kay Bato, grabe ang paninira dyan. Nauwian pa nga sa mga kasuhan. Pero bakit sila nagtap? Kasi si Bongo yung malasakit niya. Dahil malaking tulong ang malasakit center, lalong-lalo na sa mga mahirap. Kaya hindi katakataka mag number 1 siyang hindi umubra yung pasayaw-sayaw ng budots. Eleksyon pa naman sa loob ng 3 taon. Doon tayo babawi.
Right now, the camp of Senator Revilla is looking at the possibility of filing about 5 to 10 cyber libel cases against personalities on Facebook, social media, bloggers, and those who have their own websites who have spread fake news about Senator Bong, which he attributes to be the reason why he landed only 14th in the senatorial elections. What will happen first is that once that it is vetted, we will choose kung sino yung the ones who deserve really to be charged and who should be made responsible for this. To serve as an example as well to the public. Hindi naman kinakailangan na lahat, pero definitely there has to be somebody na hindi lamang naman si Senator Bong ang makikinabang dito. Kung hindi, pati na rin kahit na all the way up to the local elections yan sigurado, pag nalaman ng mga tao na hindi ka pwedeng magsalita ng fake o gumawa ng mga imagine ng mga salita o mga imagine ng mga akusasyon, magdadalawang isip. And then hopefully, ay magiging mas maayos yung ating pagkampanya at yung mga tao ay makakaboto rin ng mas maayos. Definitely, right now, we already have the materials. And within the week, we will be submitting these materials to the NBI already for proper coordination. Now, once that, during the same period, the complaints will already be drafted. And then the only thing that we will await are the bona fides of these individuals, yung kanilang true names, as well as yung kanilang addresses. That's it. So probably you can expect anytime by next week or 2 weeks from now, there will be a series of cases that will be filed by Senator Revilla.